there are three converters from Rode. One normal, which is basically a converter connector with the thread, and XLR that doesn't have any adjustments inside. The other is XLR Plus, which is I've got it two times, give it back because I don't need it, and it's impossible to find it anymore. The XLR Plus cannot be used with balanced cables, but can be used that it converts the power at the appropriate level in order to not to destroy the microphone, because you need a plug-in power between 5 volts, 10 volts, based on the type of mic.